Let's take a look at the average rear-end collision repair on a late model vehicle. The $4,000 estimate is approximately less than $1,000 in labor. The $1,000 blind spot radar sensor allows 0.2 hours of time to install. No measuring or alignment is allowed in the estimating system. However, we all know that the rear panel where the blind spot mounts must be perfectly aligned to factory specs for the system to work. Introducing ATIS Aiming, model number CJP-907 blind spot measuring and alignment tool. Now let's look at an estimate using ATIS Aiming's CJP-907 blind spot alignment tool. Insert new estimate. The same repair job is almost $4,800, and the additional $800 is all profit for the shop. Here's how it works. Set up and measure every rear-end collision or quarter panel repair. Document a vertical and horizontal angle compared to the factory specs, and add $285 for the measurement. Add additional labor time for precision panel alignment if the sensors are not to factory specs. At the factory, robots stamp panels out with perfect precision. At the collision shop, it takes hours to recreate perfect alignments. Your shop has happy customers, good feedback and reviews, no returns, and no supplements. Do it right the first time and get paid additional bucks.